Okay, so let's start with the second and the last example on conservation of momentum. So here it is given that as shown in figure, a rod is pivoted at point O while rod rest पे है भी बोला है हमको is rest, and a particle of mass m by 2. The mass of the particle is half of the mass of rod, is going with velocity v, and it will strike the rod at a distance L by 4 from the center of the rod, and it will get stuck to that. If particle gets stick to the rod, then new angular speed of the system would be, okay. So here new omega of the system would be that we have to find. So now I can say the angular momentum of system initial must be equal to the angular momentum of system final. So angular momentum system initial for rod is 0, and about O for the particle will be mvr perpendicular, because for a moving particle angular momentum is mvr, that we have already studied. Now finally the rod and particle get stick together, so it will be inertia of rod plus inertia of particle into omega, as both will perform pure rotational motion, okay. So as both bodies will start rotating, because as the particle will strike here, particle is fixed above, is pivoted at O, so on striking it will get stick, and the particle and the system will rotate like this. Finally the system will rotate like this, okay. Now the mass of particle is half of the mass of rod, the speed of the particle is v, the perpendicular distance of line of action of particle from O is L by 4. L by 4 is equal to the inertia of rod ml square by 12 about center, plus for particle it will be m, the mass of particle is m by 2, into r square, so distance from the axis is L by 4 square, into omega, and now it will be mvl upon 4 to the 8 plus ml square upon 12 plus ml square upon 4, square of 4 will be 16, and 16 to 0 will be 32, so it will be 32 into omega, okay. Now I can solve this. mvl upon 8 is equal to, now this is here it is 12, and here this is 32, so it will be 32 ml square plus 12 ml square upon 12 into 32, or you can take the LCM also. mvl upon 8 into 32 plus 12 will be 44 ml square upon 12 into 32 into omega. So m cancel 1, and 1 L will get cancelled out, okay. And now we can solve this. 8 ones are 8 fours are 32, 4 ones are 4 11s are. So therefore I can say omega equal to 12v upon 11L, and that is the final answer to this question, okay. Thank you.